Good morning, class 10th. So, today we start the chapter number 13, surface area and volume. I think you all know about the surface area and volume. All the formulas I think you know, which we studied in class 9th also. So, around 19 to 20 formulas are there. So, look at that all the formulas before starting the exercise. So, I will directly start the exercise 13.1 because I think you can aware about all the formulas. So first question is what? A cube, sorry, two cube each of volume 64 centimeter cube are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. Now look at that. Suppose I will take this and this two cubes are there whose volume is given how much? 64. I think you all know the volume of cube, that is edge cube, side cube we can say, or edge cube is equals to 64 given edge cube. Now 64 is the cube of 4. 3 and 3 cut it, so the edge is what? 4 centimeter. Now look at that. If this is 4, this is also 4, height is also 4, this is also 4, all things are 4. Now I will go for the length, breadth and height. Now how much length is there? This plus this, so total length is 8, not 4. Breadth is same, 4 only, and height is also in the inside one same, so only length is changed. Length is 8 centimeter. Now surface area of cuboid I can find 2 LB plus BH plus HL. Put the values of L, B and H. 8 4 4 4 4 8. 8 4s are 32, 4 4s are 16 and 4 8s are 32. That 32 plus 16 plus 32 80. 80 into 2 160 centimeter square is the answer. Now clear? Now question number second. Now look at the question number second. Second is what? A vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. Hemisphere, then after hollow cylinder is there. The diameter of hemisphere is 14 given and the total height of the vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of the vessel. So the diameter is given, total height is given vessel. Look at the answer. This is the answer. Now downward hemisphere is there, then after he said a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. So first hollow cylinder is there, this one cylinder and this one hemisphere. Now what is the total height? Total height is given how much? 13 centimeter is the total height. Wait, I will now look at the camera. Total height is 13 centimeter. Now the radius, how much radius is there? 14 is the diameter, so radius is 7. This is 7, this is also 7, so 13 minus 7, how much height of cylinder? 6. 13 minus 7 is 6, and this is the total diameter is given 14. Now I have to find the inner curved surface area. So inner curved surface area means what? CSA of cylinder plus CSA of hemispherical. CSA of cylinder I think 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square CSA of hemispherical. Now what is the common? 2 pi r. Remaining is h plus r. Put the values 2 into 22.7. R values is 7. H is height of cylinder means 6. Clear? Plus 7. 7 and 7 cut it. Now 2 into 22, 44 into 13. That 572 centimeter square is the answer. Clear? Now next question. Now question number third. A toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of the toy is 15.5. Find the total surface area of the toy. Now a toy is there whose radius is given. Now look at the figure. Wait. Now this is the toy whose hemispherical end is there downward, and upward a cone is there, hemispherical cone whose radius is 3.5. This is 3.5, this is also 3.5. Total height is 15.5, so 15.5 minus 3.5, remaining is 12. Now radius is what? 3.5. I can write 3.5, point will be removed, 10. 5 7s are 5 2s are 7 by 2 I can also write. Now what I want? TSA of toy, CSA of cone plus CSA of hemisphere. Okay, CSA of cone is what? Pi RL plus 2 pi r square. Now all I have, now L is not there, I want L here in the formula. So what can I do? Formula is there for L. I think you all remember this formula, that L square is equals to R square plus H square. The value of r is what? 7 by 2 plus h value is 12. The height of the toy, this one, height of the toy is given 12. So r is what? 7 by 2, the square of 7 49 plus divided by 4 plus 12 square is 144 divided by 1. Now LCM we have to take in the table of 4 and 1. 4 is the LCM. Now in the table of 4, 4 will come one time, 1 multiply 49 plus 1 in the table of 1, it will come 4 times, 4 multiply 144, 576. 576 plus 49, 625 divided by 4. Square will be there, square root, 625 square root is 25 and square root of 4 is 2. So length is what? 25 divided by 2. Now I can put the values in the given formula. Now this is the formula, pi rl plus 2 pi r square. Pi r is common now, l plus 2r. Pi 22 upon 7, r 7 by 2, l is 25 by 2 plus 2. Again multiply r 7 by 2. 2 and 2 cut it, 7 7 cut it, 2 into 22 11. 11 into 25 upon 2 12.5 plus 7. Add both these, 19.5, 11 into 19.5, that 214.5 centimeter square is the answer. Now question number 4th. Now read the question number 4th. A cubical block of side 7 centimeter is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere can have? Find the surface area of the solid. Now look at the figure. If this is the cube, hemisphere is surmounted on the top. Side is given 7 centimeter. Radius is what? 7 by 2, 3.5. Now TSA of solid means what? Total. Now listen carefully. How can I find a surface area of cube? Surface area of cube total, okay, plus, wait, now plus CSA of hemisphere. Now this is the hemisphere at the top, CSA of means outer side, minus area of circle. Which one circle? If suppose look at that top, this one, if I draw the picture of top, now look at the diagram carefully. If this is the hemispherical and this one end is this, so I will take 2 times, it is coming 2 times. So in the form of edge I subtracted this circle, because this is hollow, circle is not there, this is hollow one, so I subtracted the area of this one circle. So look at the answer now. 6a square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square, 2 pi r square minus pi r square only. Now put the values. A is what? Side 7, 22 upon 7, r 7 by 2, 7 by 2, 7 7 cut it, 2 11s are, this is 294. When I can solve this one, when this one solve 38.5, add both this, 332.5 centimeter square is the answer. Now same as it is the next question, question number 5th. A hemispherical depression is cut out from the face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L, now L is the diameter in the place of 7 of the hemispherical, is equal to the edge of the cube. Determine the surface area of the remaining solid. Now suppose this is the figure, the depression is there, cut out from the this one cube, radius L by 2, TSA of solid, CSA of cube same, plus CSA of hemisphere. Now minus upper one circle, area of base of the hemispherical or circle. So in the place of 7, L is there, 2 pi r square minus pi r square, r is what? L by 2. Now L square upon 4, this is, now take the LCM. LCM is what? 1 and 4 LCM is 4. Now 4 6 are 24 plus pi r square. Now 1 upon 4 I can write, L square is common, 24 plus pi units. This is the answer of the given question. So 5 questions we completed, now 4 are left. After that the exercise completed. So thank you class.